Well, I'm excited to show you this one today. This is the Zojan Art 205 LED professional welding machine. Is she a beauty? Real small, compact, but this is up to 200 amp. What I love about a couple things is it has both. You could run it 110 or 220, and it comes with an adapter. I'll just kind of show you here. Here is the plug-in here. So I have it set up with on 110, so it comes with this black adapter here. We plug this back in here, but the simplicity of it. Now, depending upon the size of the electrode you're using, that will determine the polarity of your cables here. So these simply go right into these holes as such. So, but they're very easy to use. It has a just an on-off power switch in the back. Once you flip that on, machine fires up, and it's just simple. You just control the amount of current with this knob, and as you can see, it's got a real nice LED, indicator. Crank it up, and it'll increase or decrease, your amperage. But oh man, do I love it! The small size, and the fact that it's 110 or 220. Woo! What a beauty! Now I'm going to show you me welding a little bit, but loving it so far. There you go.